Hey guys, it's Jira Bro back with another video. So, here are some of the upcoming AI features that will actually be active in the 2025. So these features around here that you actually can see, yeah, these are going to be basically new features, plus four more coming for Jira itself. So first of all, breaking down the big projects into manageable tasks in the AI with the actual breakdown. Okay, as you can see, it works when you're having the suggested items based uh, based on the issue itself. So first of all, so what I'm going to do here is let me just navigate some of the projects in here. Okay, so I have, yeah, I have these ones. So this is going to be, so this is the issues, that this is the feature that actually is already being implemented. As you can see, it has suggested the child issues. So that is one thing in here. Then we have this Jira. Yeah, this is a pretty interesting one, where you can actually, from your Confluence page, you can create Jira issues. Now, this can be done in two ways. The first way is actually to select a portion of text, and based on that portion of text, to have the issues generated based on that portion of text. The another one is actually to prompt the AI itself to actually go scan the whole Confluence page, and based on that Confluence page to create the Jira issues. As you can see, this is showing from the GIF animation in here, and this is something on how it will actually look like. Then there is the AI summaries that help us to get context quickly. Okay, so this is when this is one thing in here. The second thing is where you have this uh summary in here. So yeah, first of all you would need some comments in here. So without the comments you cannot have this you cannot have this feature to actually work for you. So there is something that you actually need to understand. So if I go here for one of the uh, issues, so I still don't have any comments. So what I'm going to do is instead I'm going to write and say this is a comment. And I can do the summarizing, and what we'll actually do is going to say, yeah, you know what? This is what is being mentioned, and who actually made the comment in here. And it's saying that's only visible to me. So, summarizing. So these two already exist, okay? So there is an AI issue reformatter that improves the clarity of the work items. So this is how it looks like. Okay, let me just zoom in a bit. So where you're basically having the adding of the structure itself. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to my Confluence in here. And instead of this, I'm going to show you some new stuff that was included within the AI itself. So this is what we're having in here, right? So everything is fine, and what I have is the right option. Now, what we actually have in here, instead of, first of all, I don't have this adding a structure kind of a thing, right? So if I try to select everything and go with the right, So now I'm having, well, none of these things. But what do I actually have are some of the new beta features that were actually introduced. So first of all is the make longer kind of a file. So um, this is kind of an interesting because it actually kind of makes this to be longer. And yeah, this is pretty interesting in here, right? And then I also have the option of write, and then I have the option to rephrase this. So where the rephrasing actually goes, yeah, there where it actually needs more help, browse by the topics. So yeah, and it's still going, and I can actually rephrase this whole page in here. That's another thing that you can actually do. More of the thing is all this I can say, you know what? I want to convert this into a table. The whole thing. And what is it saying? So this is actually pretty cool, where you have the option and where it's basically doing is one column is named section and the another column is named the description, and it goes pretty in depth and basically like what is going on in here, and this is really good. And the another feature that we actually have in here is to convert to bulleted lists. And when we actually do this, voila, we have everything, all of that text that was in there, we created and we made a bulleted list out of all of those items. So I can probably say that those are also the new AI features. What is coming soon is the AI work creation from Slack. Related Confluence pages automatically find the documentation and surface them within a Jira issue. Then similar Jira issues, which is coming soon, and the JQL fixer that will quickly resolve errors when writing JQL so you can get to your results faster. This one is going to be interesting. Yeah, this one is going to be interesting, especially if I want to mention some of the script runner functions that are only available for script runner. Let's say I already know them, but I cannot use them. So I'm wondering if this error is going to change that as well. So that is going to be something interesting that is coming up in our way when it comes to the AI. And that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye.